Hey everyone, it's Justin again, and today we're going to be talking about the main focus of algebra, variables. Before we begin this lesson, please make sure that you understand operations such as adding and subtracting, as well as the order of operations. If you need a refresher, check out our videos on those subjects. Today, we are going to be taking inventory at our grocery store. Here's a pile of fruit. Let's sort it. And now we have a pile of 4 apples and a pile of 3 bananas. Our customers expect these piles to stay separate. We can't combine them and market them as either apples or bananas because we don't want a customer reaching in for one and getting the other instead. That's bad business. So we know that we can count the individuals as 4 apples and 3 bananas. But what if our apples and bananas are in sealed crates at the warehouse? Then how do we count the apples and bananas if we don't know how many are in the crates? Our supplier has assured us that each apple crate contains the same amount of apples and each banana crate contains the same amount of bananas, but we don't know how many the crates actually hold. So instead of using a definitive number, we use a letter in its place. We call this letter a variable, and it simply means a number that we don't know yet. The cool thing about variables is that even though they look like letters, we can still treat them like numbers. For instance, even if we don't know how many apples are in the crate, we can still take some out, or we can add more in. Or we can triple the amount. We could even divide the amount into 2 smaller boxes, each of these small boxes which hold half of the original amount, which we could write as a divided by 2, or 0.5 times a. The unfortunate thing about having an unknown amount is that the result of doing anything to it will also be unknown. So for instance, if I have this crate of B bananas and I take out 7, how many are still in the crate? If there was 17 to begin with, then there would now be 10. But if there were 22 in the beginning, then there's only 15 in the crate now. And if there were only 7 to begin with, then the crate is empty. So without knowing what B is, we can't achieve a definitive answer. But what we do know is that there are now 7 less bananas in the crate than when we started. So now we know that variables stand for an unknown amount, and we know that we can treat them just like any other number. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to explore some of the other ways variables can be used.